Hi guys, hi, my name is Betty and welcome to Garden with Betty K. Guys, it's May. We are in May. Inside ngapagadi inside May. So I want to do May garden tour. So you are going to see what is still hanging from last season. Because this is like first week of winter. And yeah, no, Zia Kala last month, this time it was already 2 weeks, but now May is very very slow. May is very very slow. We are not happy with it. We are not happy with you. So let's do a garden tour of May. There are food that are still in the garden from last season. I'm just giving it like last 2 weeks for them to kind of give us something, because I don't know, maybe they'll give us something, maybe they will not. The sun is so hot. This is winter sun. Ele ya dichubaba ele. Ele ya dichubaba. Ke lone ele. So enjoy the video. So we still have this corn from last season. I think it's doing something, like there is food in there, and you see that one is big, and those ones are still like there's still food in there. But because we are in South Africa, guys, we are in South Africa, our winter is not that bad. Like our winter is not that cold, especially first first month. Like now we are in May, it's not that bad. Some other food from autumn summer, they can still do some, you know. If you don't have a space, you can take them out and start your winter crops. But if you have space, you can like maneuver around your autumn summer crops. So we still have corn, it's still popping. And then I started taking out the old ones. As you can see, the trees are going because it's winter. The trees are going. This is a grapes. This is grapes. This is my apple tree in the con. I started this apple. I think I need a big container. I've been saying this for a very long time. I need a container for this apple tree. I started this apple tree from a seed, and look how big it is now. And then our tomato. This is like the last straw of the season. Like they're just pushing, and look at what the birds are doing. The birds are eating with me, but I'm going to take it out today. Oh, and I'm gonna clean as I go. I don't clean it once, I clean as I go. So if I need a space somewhere in the garden, I clean that space and plant something there. Because I don't have time to clean everything at once, and you know, and think that must no, I don't want to think too much. I don't want a lot of work. These people are making noise. Kubizi, 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 kubizi. So the trees are changing leaves. As you can see, this is a peach tree, and it's growing so nice. You see it's going up this year, like we're forcing it to go up, not down. So we keep on chopping the leaves here in the bottom. And then we have these ones I'm gonna take out as well, because this season is past. You see this ones, but I'm gonna come later to take them out. And then we have gooseberry. Ooh, look at the birds. The birds are nearly jealous. These birds are so jealous. They're eating with me, and they're not leaving anything for me. But nothing, nothing, nothing. Just the small ones that are there. But yo, but we have like a lot of fruit, as you can see. We have a lot of fruits. This is gooseberries. When I come to the garden, I always, woo, I always eat this. Sheila Haibolai. 30-second rule. We work, we eat. We work, we eat. So everything that needs to be taken out, I'm going to take out today. But we have cherry tomato. I'm going to save the seeds for next season. I don't know what's happening to my granadilla. It was coming so nice. I don't know what happened. And this is pomegranate. As you can see, it's showing that it has time. And then we have garlic down here. This is garlic. Everything that is not for this season, I'm going to take out. Take it down. And then here we have carrots. We have carrots here. And then we have strawberries there, but they are struggling. I don't know what's happening. I need to come up with a solution. Cinnamon or something. And then the other day I planted some beetroot here, as you can see. This is beetroot. This is new. I transplanted during the week. So we still have herbs galore, herbs galore. So the garden looks almost alive. But you know, winter can show you things that you didn't think or your garden can do. And then here we have strawberries. We have like strawberries. I took out the basil that was here, and then one of the trees, because this is blueberries, and then it's somewhere there, you see. So there were three here, so the other one is there. Then we are left with two, and then I planted some strawberries on the bottom. We still have rosemary, scallow, and this is pear tree. Yes, pear. Let's see. Yep. Let's go. And then we come this side. I think I'm going to harvest this tamarillo. The sun is so bad outside. And then look at these green beans. They're growing on the tree, on this orange tree. And this orange tree is not producing this year. I think because it's in a new place, it's still trying to learn the space or whatever. I don't know what's going on. But this one is always producing something. Look at that. And then this one is growing every day. This is mango tree. Every year. Last year I think I ate 2 from here. Maybe this year we are hoping for more this year. And then we still have pumpkin. I think this is butternut. I don't know what's going on down here. I think we have some growth. We just have to be patient and see if we're going to have something. I am not sure. We have to wait and see. I'm trying to maneuver around this space. There's a jungle in here. And then we have our olive tree. And look at this tree, so neat. It's so mampuna. No leaves, nothing. This is grapes tree. This is grapes. And then I bought myself hibiscus plant. And then this is mhlonyana. This is lengana, because the one that I had is gone. This is African wormwood. You can buy it at builders, any nursery store. I think you can buy this plant. It's very good for winter, this one. And here I still have to think what to plant. Oh, look at that. It's not plastic, this is real. It's not plastic, it's real. And then here we have the cabbage. Yes, cabbage here, and I think I have some seedlings down here. They're still coming up. Because garden, you can never confirm it. You can never. So this is our cabbage. Let's hope we are going to eat it this winter. Let's hope this winter we are going to eat this cabbage, because last season, summer sham latest and then we have corn in a container. I think I'm going to take it out. I was hoping something. I think I neglected it. I didn't put more soil, no nothing. I was too busy. This past summer, it was so hectic, especially when it comes to school situationship. So the garden was a little bit neglected, but we're still fine. We still have food. See, and then this is the herbs. If you remember, I did a big harvest of the herbs. So this is mint. That's fine. I forgot what is that dead one, but there's something there. Rosemary, another fine. Is it fine or fin? Something. And then this is oregano. I still have something. I just need to put more soil in this, and will be good for winter, because I'm waiting for them to start giving us some new leaves for winter. Because summer the herbs were doing very nice. I think it's because of the shade, because we have a tree this side and it's blocking the sun most of the time, and then it's doing nice thing down here. And then we are here. Oh, the lemon tree. Lemon tree has been nice to us. It has been giving us nice things, nice and juicy. Yes, and the lemons are starting to get bigger now, because they were a little bit tiny, but now they're starting to be like huge. Look at this one, starting to be nice and chunky. And we have a little bit of corn. I was cleaning here earlier, that's why I remembered to go get the camera to show you guys. And then we have tiny tomatoes here. I don't remember planting this. I don't remember planting this here, but and it smells so nice. And but they are happy. Those are cherry tomatoes. I mean, yes, cherry tomatoes. So and maybe I did, throw some seeds around, and then that's so cute. The sun, they will see. My shadow was not giving it the shine, but they're so nice. Yo, they're so nice. And then we have kumquat. This is kumquat, but it's not giving us a lot of fruits. Maybe they start booming again. I don't know, but these are kumquats. Yes, the tree is very spiky. You see? So our trees are looking very, very nice and juicy. Fighting with the flies. This is ginger in here. Ginger in here. This is ginger. How about it? Ginger. Ginger. And then one of the tallest corn in the garden still standing, and it's giving. I want to show you what I can do with my life situation. And then we have figs. It's giving us 1 2 1 2. Holy beds, it gives you something. Falele fale gives you something, and then we have parsley. Yeah, the parsley. That's parsley, and one of the parsley that has to go. That's green pepper, and then here we have a carrots. Look at this. I'm so proud of my tree. This is a dwarf tree. It's a This is some nudges citrus. Yeah, that's it. These are dwarfs. Nice, eh? They're growing big. Every time I come outside, they are like chunky, getting chunky and stuff. And then this is lime. This is lime tree. It's not. giving us anything this year. Maybe ka last minute, I don't know. And this is orange tree as well. It's not giving us anything this year. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. And then we have lemongrass. We have another kumquat. And this again, she's not giving us anything. Eh? Even this year, she's not or he's not giving us any food whatsoever. Nothing, nothing. But my driveway is coming together nicely. My driveway, I say, it's looking very nice. But I love the situationship here. We love you. We thank you. The food is there. The food is galore. It's just you have to walk to find the food. You have to walk. You know, it's not just in one place. You have to walk to find them. That's it, folks. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. What are you planting? What are you planting this winter? Tell me in the comment section. What are you planting? Because I don't see you guys planting any. At least the aye the aye the cabbage. Okay, the aye and cabbage, sharp, the carrots. Those are not difficult to make, to plant. What do you think? No, no, nothing. Ke re go tswa go nna monyana wa Motswana wa go tswa kwa Rusty Dusty Matlakeng ke re tswere. Bye guys. Bye.